This M3 Retainer Cleanser is genuinely a useful little thing if you wear retainers, dentures, or even mouth guards. It comes in the form of these fizzy, mint-scented tablets that you simply pop into water, and they eliminate all the built-up plaque, odor, and stains without any hassle. This Kiss Lash adhesive is perfect if you wear falsies and want something that holds really well without irritating your eyes. It dries clear, it's waterproof, and comes with a small brush so you can apply it neatly without clumps. These Goody ouchless hair ties are an everyday essential if you're tired of hairbands that pull or snap. They're stretchy, really soft, and don't leave dents in your hair. You get loads in a pack, and they work on all kinds of hair, whether you're doing a tight ponytail, a messy bun, or just tying your hair back quickly before heading out. This level 3 styling powder is great if you like a bit of volume but hate heavy products. It gives your hair this instant lift and natural texture without making it feel stiff or greasy. This Tom's fluoride-free toothpaste is ideal if you're going for something a bit more natural in your routine. It's got a lovely, fresh peppermint flavor, helps whiten teeth gently, and fights plaque at the same time. This Ear and Nose Trimmer 2025 is one of those grooming tools that just makes life easier. It's got dual blades that trim quickly and cleanly without pulling, and because it's waterproof, you can literally rinse it right under the tap after using it. It runs on batteries, and is compact enough to throw in a bag if you're traveling. This AQUAPHOR Healing Ointment is honestly one of the best things for dry, cracked, or irritated skin. You can use it anywhere, hands, feet, lips, and it forms this nice protective layer without feeling too greasy. It's a real go-to, especially in winter, and the small tube makes it perfect for keeping in your bag or pocket. These Philips SONICARE C2 heads are brilliant if you want that deep, clean feeling from your toothbrush. They're designed to tackle plaque more effectively than regular heads, and they fit perfectly with SONICARE handles. So if you're looking to step up your brushing game, these make a noticeable difference after just a few uses. These LISTERINE POCKETPAKS strips are one of those clever little things you don't realize you need until you have them. They dissolve instantly on your tongue, freshen your breath right away, and kill germs at the same time. They're so thin and compact, they just fit in your pocket or wallet for when you're out and about. This Reach Wax Dental Floss is easy to use, especially if you find flossing a bit of a chore. It slides in smoothly, doesn't shred, and leaves your mouth feeling fresh thanks to the minty flavor. It's also PFAS-free, so you're avoiding unnecessary chemicals, and it's gentle enough for both adults and kids. This Blue Lizard Mineral Sunscreen is amazing if you've got sensitive skin or just prefer something more natural. It's got broad-spectrum SPF 50+ protection, and since it uses zinc oxide, it's gentle on the skin. This L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray is a great one if you want your makeup to last all day without looking cakey. It's a super fine mist, so it doesn't drench your face, and it keeps everything in place without that stiff or shiny finish. These EFFERDENT cleaning tablets are great if you wear dentures, retainers, or any kind of dental appliance. You just drop one into a glass of water, and it gets to work cleaning everything properly, leaving behind a fresh, minty feel. It's quick, simple, and there's enough in the pack to last quite a while, so you're not constantly buying more. This Kiss POWERFLEX nail glue is the one to go for if you need something that dries fast and holds well. Whether you're applying full press-ons or fixing a chipped nail, it's got a fine tip for precise application and a formula that bonds quickly. It's small enough to keep in your bag for quick fixes on the go too. These LUMINEUX whitening strips are ideal if you want to brighten your smile, but have sensitive teeth. They're completely peroxide-free, so you don't get that sharp sting you sometimes feel with other whiteners. This NEILMED piercing aftercare spray is a must if you've got new piercings and want to keep them clean without irritation. It's a fine saline mist that helps soothe and heal. And because it's sterile and preservative-free, it's safe for sensitive areas. This VEET hair removal cream is a good alternative to shaving if you want silky smooth skin without the fuss. It's designed for sensitive skin and has aloe vera and vitamin E, so it moisturizes while it removes hair. This Garnier micellar water is honestly such a staple in any skincare routine. It removes makeup, dirt, and oil without drying out your skin, and there's no need to rinse afterwards. It's fragrance-free, cruelty-free, and gentle enough for everyday use, even if you've got sensitive skin. This Gold Bond Neck and Chest Cream is made especially for those areas that tend to show signs of aging a bit sooner. It firms, hydrates, and smooths the skin without being heavy or greasy. It's great if you're trying to target fine lines or just want to keep that area looking fresh and cared for. This Catrice Under Eye Brightener in Light Rose is lovely if you want to brighten up tired-looking eyes. It's got a creamy texture that blends easily, and ingredients like hyaluronic acid and shea butter that hydrate while giving that soft glow. This AVEENO Daily Moisturizing Lotion is such a reliable choice for everyday hydration. It's made with prebiotic oat, which soothes and strengthens your skin's barrier. This Jergens Natural Glow Lotion is brilliant if you want that gradual sun-kissed look without going near actual sunlight. It's designed for fair to medium skin tones, and it firms and moisturizes while building up color. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos by pressing the bell icon.